Fire is a serious hazard that leads to loss of life and property the majority of the time in residential or commercial establishments. Indoor fire events can be attributed to heating equipment overusage, power circuit failure, careless acts, and human error. The current fire protection measures in buildings do not account for all contemporary fire hazard issues, which has made fire safety a growing concern. Cables are the veins in any modern construction and are connected to every corner of the building, which is potential fire spreader. Most of the loss of life happens due to inhalation of toxic fumes in an indoor fire event. It becomes critical to minimize these and allow for the precious time to escape. A fire survival cable is therefore the need of the hour in critical installations and prominent places as a fire safety and mitigation measure. Presenting the IGNIS cables from Polycab. Polycab IGNIS is low fire hazard and fire resistance cable. It is dual powered, providing max safety and integrity. Polycab IGNIS has high fire resistance, low flame propagation, maintains circuit integrity when exposed to fire, has low toxicity, and the fire barrier protects from electrical short circuits. The Polycab IGNIS are manufactured using cutting-edge machinery in a state-of-the-art facility and are extremely safe for human life. The wires are made using continuous vulcanization and infrared curing process. The Polycab IGNIS has composite insulation layers, which gives more protection during a fire. The insulation layer is of high-temperature glass mica tape of Muscovite type, having excellent heat resistance as well as insulation resistance. The Polycab IGNIS has zero halogen compound in the sheathing. The insulation layer over the mica flame barrier has additional heat resistance. During a high fire situation, the insulation becomes char and acts as an insulant. The materials used have a higher oxygen index, making them hard to burn. The Polycab IGNIS lowers the smoke opacity and gas emissions, prevents flame from spreading, and reduces heat release, making it a low fire hazard. By doing this, it reduces the possibility of deaths due to suffocation. Polycab IGNIS complies with various specifications described under the time temperature curve for the standard fire endurance tests, meeting the standards specified by BS and IEC. It can maintain the power circuit integrity and keeps it running for a minimum of up to 3 hours at a maximum temperature of 950 degrees Celsius, making it high fire resistant. Polycab IGNIS is a must for critical applications like fire alarm systems, sprinklers, emergency lighting, elevators, and P&A systems. This keeps the building operational during a fire event, allowing for precious time for people to evacuate. The Polycab IGNIS is a result of years of rigorous R&D and therefore is extremely reliable. Polycab IGNIS is certified by the Loss Prevention Certification Board, LPCB. LPCB certification is the best product certification available internationally. The Polycab IGNIS, your reliable partner for fire safety, is manufactured by Polycab India Limited. Polycab India Limited is a leading electricals brand, largest manufacturer of wires and cables in India, and one of the fastest growing players in the FMEG space. With a pan-India distribution network, we cater to various public and private institutions across a diverse set of industries, as well as retail customers through its B2C business. Polycab IGNIS, the ultimate guardian.